Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download from GitHub. Let's get started. So once you reach GitHub, you're going to have all these different types of files. I'm going to have the changelog.md, licensemd, and then crowdin.yml. Now, if you want to download the document, all you need to do is you just need to go to the document right here, make sure that it is highlighted in blue, and then you go into right click, and then you go into select Save Link As. And all you need to do is you just need to find a location where you want to save the document. So the empty file changelog, I'm going to save it in pictures. So I'm going to click on save. Then once it's done, I'm going to click on open. Now it says select an app to open this empty file. I'm going to select Notepad and then just once. And there you go. All of the code is right there. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free. And it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.